everybody. Today I am going to say about tooth decay in the chemistry concept. Generally, will discuss some basics about the tooth decay. Tooth decay occurs in the mouth if if the pH value is less than the 5.5. Generally, the pH value of tooth decay is correct 5.5. It does not occur at that time. If the pH value is less than the 5.5 in the mouth, then the tooth decay occurs, or also called as tooth decay. It is called as tooth decay. In the mouth, the pH value is less than 5.5 is called tooth decay. Generally, the correct value of the pH value of tooth decay is 5.5. If it will be less than the 5.5, tooth decay occurs in our mouth. So, let's see preventions of the tooth decay. Before going to the preventions, how tooth decay occurs in our mouth? We'll discuss first. There will be food which is left over in our mouth. Leftover food in our mouth. Releases some of the bacteria. First, the leftover food in our mouth releases bacteria. Again, that bacteria releases some acid. Which is due to this acid, the tooth decay occurs. How it occurs means, leftover food in our mouth creates some bacteria in it, and the bacteria also creates some acid in our mouth. Due to the acid present in our mouth, then the tooth decay occurs at that time when the acid of less than 5.5. Tooth decay occurs. Now let's see preventions. Tooth decay preventions. How to prevent from getting the tooth decay? First one, clean your mouth after eating the food. Clean your mouth after eating food. Next, you have to take the toothpaste which is neutralized by the acid. Toothpaste neutralized by the acid, which prevents tooth decay. And acid, we can take the toothpaste. And the third prevention is, we have to change the toothbrush. Every 3 or 4 months. If we change the toothbrush every 3 or 4 months, then we may get the chance of not getting the tooth decay. These are the preventions. Clean your mouth after eating the food. Toothpaste should be neutralized by the excess of acid, and the tooth decay. Prevention of tooth decay we can take here. Prevention of tooth decay, and toothbrush should be changed. We can help. Toothbrush can be changed or replaced. We can take another new brush every 3 or 4 months. This is about the tooth decay. If the pH value is less than 5.5, is called as tooth decay, and it occurs. Bacteria creates some acid. Due to that acid, tooth decay occurs. Hence, this is about the tooth decay and how it occurs, and these are the given 3 precautions. Thank you.